Stop what you're doing for a second, because I'm about to reveal one of the most underrated health hacks of this year, Fibermaxxing. Think of it like leveling up your gut health to God mode. But here's the thing, done wrong, it can wreck your stomach. Done right, it can flatten bloating, stabilize energy, help you lose fat, and literally transform your gut microbiome. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to safely max out your fiber without spending hours in the bathroom. A few years ago, my world shattered. I lost my best friend to cancer, and I suffered a stroke that sent me into a deep depression all before the age of 30, but I fought back with nutrition, natural remedies, and mindfulness. Most people think fiber is just about, keeping things moving. But here's the wild truth. Fiber is one of the most powerful tools for gut health, mental clarity, and even longevity. And the shocking part, 95% of people aren't getting enough, which means your gut bacteria, your digestion, and even your mood are running at half capacity right now. So let's break it down. What is fibermaxing? How much should you actually eat, and which foods are secretly the best? Stick with me because I'm going to share a step-by-step plan, plus a secret fiber stacking trick you can use starting today. Fibermaxxing is a new health trend that's blowing up on Reddit, TikTok, and in nutrition circles. It's basically the practice of intentionally pushing your fiber intake as high as possible, safely. Think of it like protein maxing at the gym, but instead of muscles, you're maxing out your gut bacteria, your digestion, and your metabolism. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your gut is like a city, and fiber is the fuel that feeds the good bacteria living inside it. The more diverse plant-based fibers you eat, the stronger and more resilient your microbiome becomes. And in case you didn't know, your gut bacteria influence everything. Your immune system, how much fat you store, your hormones, even your brain chemistry. Listen, if you're between 17 and 40, you're in the most critical stage of setting your lifelong gut health. Ignore it now, and you risk bloating, IBS, bad skin, and low energy. Dial it in now, and you can actually future-proof yourself against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even early aging. That's why fibermaxing is trending. It's the biohacker move that actually works. And unlike supplements that cost $60 a jar, this hack comes from regular grocery store foods. In a minute, I'll show you a cheap everyday food with double the fiber of broccoli. Okay, let's talk numbers. The average adult in the US eats about 15 grams of fiber per day. The recommended daily amount? Around 25 to 38 grams. But here's the kicker. New research shows the sweet spot for gut health may be closer to 50 to 70 grams if you build up slowly. That's fibermaxing. But don't get it twisted. Jumping from 15 grams to 70 overnight will give you gas that clears a room. The key is progressive overload, just like lifting weights. Start where you're at, then increase by 5 grams every few days until your body adapts. Now, most people think high-fiber foods are just boring salads and bran cereal. Nope. Some of the best fiber-maxing foods are foods you're probably not eating. And in a second, I'll reveal the one fruit that delivers double the gut-boosting fiber of blueberries. But first, let's talk about the two types of fiber and why you need both. There are two main kinds of fiber. Soluble fiber. This dissolves in water and forms a gel in your gut. It slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and feeds your good bacteria. Think oats, apples, chia seeds. Insoluble fiber. This adds bulk, keeps things moving, and prevents constipation. Think brown rice, carrots, whole wheat bread. For true fibermaxing, you want a mix of both. Soluble fiber is like food for your bacteria, and insoluble fiber is like the broom that sweeps your digestive tract clean. All right, here's what you came for, the fibermaxing grocery list. Chia seeds, just 2 tablespoons give you 10 grams of fiber, plus omega-3. Avocados. 1 avocado equals 13 grams. That's why avocado toast is secretly a gut health hack. Lentils and black beans. Half a cup packs 8-9 grams plus plant protein. Raspberries are 8 grams per cup, way more than blueberries. Oats. Slow digesting carbs with soluble fiber that keeps you full for hours. Flax seeds, rich in lignans for hormone balance, and 5 grams per tablespoon. Artichokes, 1 medium artichoke equals a massive 10 grams. Now here's that secret I teased earlier. Raspberries. Yep, they actually have double the fiber of blueberries per serving. So next time you're at the store, make the swap. Here's how to hit fibermaxing levels without feeling stuffed. It's called fiber stacking. Instead of trying to eat 70 grams in one meal, you layer small amounts across the day. Example. Breakfast. Overnight oats with chia and berries equals 15 grams. Lunch. Lentil soup with veggies equals 18 grams. Snack apple with peanut butter equals 8 grams. Dinner quinoa with roasted artichokes equals 20 grams. Evening flaxseed in a smoothie equals 10 grams. Boom. That's 70 grams spread across the day. No bloat. So what happens if you actually do this? I'll tell you in 10 seconds, but here's a quick reminder. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm this video is worth sharing, and it helps more people fix their gut health naturally. When you safely max out fiber, here's what starts happening. Gut reset. Your microbiome shifts in just 2 weeks with more beneficial bacteria. Flat belly. Less bloating because fiber regulates digestion. Steady energy. Fiber slows carb absorption, avoiding sugar crashes. Fat loss, high fiber equals fuller for longer, which equals fewer cravings. Skin glow, a healthier gut reduces inflammation, which shows up on your face. Longevity boost. Studies link higher fiber intake to lower risk of heart disease and cancer. Before you go all in, here are 3 Fibermaxxing mistakes to avoid: going too fast, increase gradually, or risk gas and cramps. Ignoring water. Fiber without enough hydration equals constipation. Forgetting diversity. Don't just eat oats all day. Your gut thrives on variety. And by the way, no, fiber supplements are not the same as whole foods. I'll explain why in just a second. Fiber powders and gummies might look convenient, but they usually only give you one type of fiber. Whole foods, on the other hand, deliver dozens of different fibers plus micronutrients and antioxidants. If you need a supplement in a pinch, go for psyllium husk, but build your base with real food. So here's your Fibermaxxing challenge. Track your fiber for just 7 days. Slowly build up toward 50 to 70 grams. Stack your meals and watch your gut, energy, and even your mood transform. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite high fiber food. I'll be checking the comments and sharing my own Fibermaxxing meal plan with you guys. Hey everyone, just a quick note from me. I'm a real person behind this channel, and everything I share is based on real research, experience, and genuine passion for helping our community grow. That said, I do use AI tools to help create some of the visuals, graphics, and video elements you see here. Because of my busy schedule and commitment to expanding this community, I also use an AI-assisted voice and digital version of myself in some videos. Side note, even I was shocked at how realistic it turned out. But make no mistake, the ideas, research, and responses here are 100% real. I personally read and respond to your comments, and I'm always involved in every piece of content that goes live on this channel. This blend of human creativity and smart technology just helps me deliver more value faster while staying connected with you all.